All right, guys, we are so excited to reveal what we have in store for you tonight. All the anticipation has led up to this moment, and we promise it's going to be an unforgettable evening.
That's right? We've got an incredible lineup of performances, special surprises, and so much more.
Absolutely. So, for now, we'd love to hear where everyone is tuning from. So, everyone, drop your locations in the comments. We want to know where our supporters are coming from. So, we already know we have such supportive viewers for our performers tonight. So, let us know whose performance you are most excited to witness. Use the comment, guys.
This is
We'd love to hear your thoughts, photos, and reactions throughout the event. So do share them on your social media using our event hashtags, hashtag halo halo, musicikahan, and hashtag treats and tunes. Now, before we dive into the performances, let's take a moment to talk about the background and purpose of Halo Halo Virtual Mixed Musicika.
this event is about bringing people together through the power of music. Halo halo means mix in Filipino, and just like the delicious dessert, we aim to create a rich blend of diverse musical talents and genres. It's a celebration of culture, creativity, and community.
We wanted to create a platform where artists from different backgrounds can showcase their talents and connect with audiences from the virtual world. So this event isn't just about entertainment. It's about appreciating, supporting and celebrating these aspiring talents who are just at the beginning of their promising careers.
Exactly right. By providing this platform, we hope to help these growing artists share their talents, gain exposure, and embark on their fruitful journeys in the music industry. It's all about spreading joy, fostering unity, and showcasing the incredible diversity of music and culture. Now, let's get to the exciting part, revealing the agenda for tonight.
That's right, we have such a fantastic lineup for you guys. We will not just be witnessing six performances tonight, as revealed on our Facebook page, but also we will also be getting a chance to get to know each one of them through our Chikahan.
That's right. Here's the lineup for tonight's performance.
So stay tuned for the entire event, as we may or may not have a few more surprises for you here and there.
All right, we won't make you wait any longer. Let's dive right into the fun.
Finally, it's time to kick off this much awaited night. So, everyone, grab a drink, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Up first, we have Celine Dion. Yes, that's with a G, an 18-year-old singer from Davao City. Celine has a passion for singing and has become quite the social media sensation. Although singing has become more of a hobby for her, she's here to share her love for R&B tonight.
Get ready to be amazed by her incredible talent. Let's hear it for Celine Dion.
What a way to start our night, everyone! Let's call on our talented performer, Celine.
That was an incredible performance. Could you introduce yourself to the audience?
Hello everyone, I'm Celine.
Hi, how are you feeling tonight? That was such a strong start for our event.
So yes, I'm feeling very excited and happy kasi natuloy na talaga yung event natin.
Yes, finally. And oh, we saw earlier na may fan ka watching from New York City. Why don't you greet
Yeah.
them?
Hi mga auntie! I miss you guys.
How cute. Okay, so let's start with our chikahan segment.
So, Celine, when did you start singing?
So I started singing according sa parents since when I was 3. Siguro it's because of without may karaoke machine sa bahay and mga tita and mga pinsan ko laging kumakanta. So I guess na-influence ako and as a bida-bida kid, tumatali ako. So yun, na siguro doon na-enhance ang singing.
Okay, so it's good, ha, na you developed your confidence in yourself in terms of singing at such a young age and influenced pa ng family mo. So, speaking of karaoke, is there a particular song that you think is special for you?
So, hindi ko siya kinakanta sa karaoke, but it's a very special song. It's entitled My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion without a G.
Wow.
Kasi it was, it was the first cover song that I memorized since I was a kid. And melody-wise siya, not lyrics kasi medyo gibberish yung kinakanta ko nun. Kasi diba, pag bata tayo, we don't know what we're saying talaga or mga kinakanta natin. So yes, ito song na I guess nag-start ng music journey ko.
Wow.
Oh, ang
So
galing
versatile.
naman.
And at 3 years old, guys, she learned to sing My Heart Will Go On. So, pasample naman, Miss Celine.
Kanting line yun ang Celine.
Ayaw lang basig malubog ang shit.
Okay, so moving on, more about your career as a singer. As a growing artist, do you utilize ba? Ano ba yung medium mo? Do you use social media or technology nowadays to build your career or to get back into singing?
Yes, I post covers sa social media, especially sa YouTube and Facebook. Pero paminsan lang siya pag hindi busy sa school or hindi busy sa life. Sorry. Pag meron din akong motivation and um, yeah, pag meron din akong gusto na song, like, ay, bet ko lagi ito i-cover ko siya, i-try ko siya na matapos and ma-post. And madami din platforms ngayon like BandLab, GarageBand na ginagamit ko kasi I really enjoy doing harmonies. Kahit malukay yan. I really find it relaxing to do. Kahit hindi siya marinig sa video kasi pansin nyo kanina, di ba, may mga harmonies, may mga second voice. Ma-enjoy talaga ako magawa niyan and mag-record. Kahit mainit, kahit dinapawisan na ako, na happy pa rin ako gawin yan.
So the effort you put into singing and doing covers talaga. Are you active pa ba right now?
May YouTube channel ka ba,
Actually, right
Celine?
now, since,
May YouTube channel ka ba?
yes.
Wow!
Ipo-promote naman dyan.
Yes. Na go!
So, guys, subscribe, Celine, subscribe, like, share, subscribe. Celine sa YouTube. Celine naman na ba yun? Yeah.
Go guys. Subscribe na.
Yun. So, since active ka and you have a platform, you have YouTube, have you received any feedback ba or criticisms about your covers or your performances? How do you take them? Do you think they're helpful or anong effect nila sa'yo?
So, yung mga criticisms, I guess, it's mostly sa family or friends. Kasi before I post covers, I ask them for their opinions. If tama yung no, if okay lang yung pagkanta ko, if okay lang yung video. So, hindi siya ganun ka-serious. I think, maka-help din siya sa, confidence ko na, ay, okay sa kanila, so okay sa akin. Pero yung mga criticisms na, like, like, siguro pinapapagtawanan, I guess. Meron din yung mga backhanded compliments, yung ganun. Pero,
Hindi maiwasan.
Talaga.
yeah, hindi talaga siya maiwasan. Pero, yun, gina-ignore ko na lang kasi if magpadala ako nun, walang mangyayari sa akin. Pero paminsan napapadala ko.
Tama, because you are the architect of your own life and your own
Wow.
journey.
Okay.
So anyway, that will be all for tonight since mauubusan na tayo ng oras. So thank you so much for
Sharing your journey and insights with us. So your performance and story was truly inspiring.
So before we let you go, we want to express our deepest gratitude for sharing your incredible talent with us tonight.
As a token of our appreciation, we'd like to present you with this certificate of appreciation. Thank you for being a part of our event.
Everyone, let's give Celine a virtual round of applause. We are so excited to see where your talent takes you. Thank you again for joining us and best of luck in your career.
Now, let's keep the energy going as we move on to our next exciting performance.
Okay. Okay, up next we have Jewel Guadalupe, a talented 20-year-old singer all the way from Coronadal City. Jewel aspires to unlock his full potential in his music career, aiming to release as many songs as he can and excel not only in songwriting but in music as a whole.
Jewel is also a part of the band Lunar Haze PH, and tonight he'll be sharing his unique style with us in the bedroom pop genre.
So, everyone, get ready to be captivated by his performance. Let's all give a warm welcome to Jewel Guadalupe. And gentlemen, let's give it up for Jewel Guadalupe.
Fantastic performance, Jewel. Please introduce yourself to our audience.
Let's take a moment to wait for our. There we go. Please introduce yourself, Jewel.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jules Guadalupe, and nice to meet you all.
We're so grateful to have you, and dami mo namang fans. Daming comments. Why don't you greet them all?
Hello guys. Hello kay I shout out kay Jarek Gokong. He's a very good friend po.
May pa-shout out.
Shout out. It's so great to have you with us tonight, Jewel. So we're so amazed and grateful. We heard that was your own compositions that you sang for us tonight.
Ba't mag-isa ka na lang?
But isa.
We heard that was your own composition, so that's so impressive.
Yes, thank you po. Thank you so much.
So with so much talent in this field, napo-wonder tuloy kami, how did you get your first break or your first experience in the music industry?
My first experience in the music industry, as far as I can remember, is nung na-influence ako ng mga tito ko sa music kasi they listen to music a lot, and one of my titos belong in a band. So one time nasama ako sa isang band practice nila, and I think doon nag-start yung parang like gusto kong mag-pursue pagbabanda, and until tumanda ako, then na-pursue ko talaga yung pagbabanda and music in general.
So do you see yourself pursuing singing in the long run? If so, how?
For now, I can't tell, but I hope so kasi I belong sa nursing course, and alam mo naman sa mga medical field, hectic talaga ang schedule tapos mahirap mag-balance. So as of now, I'm trying to balance my academics and music on the side.
Hindi madali ang nursing and then you're trying to pursue a career in music then at the same time. So at present, are you currently working on any projects or performances pa? Are you currently writing any songs? Ganon.
Currently I have 6 unreleased songs that will be released this year. It will be a part of an upcoming EP that is titled Summer of 24 kasi all of those songs were made like from May to June, in the span of May to June. And as for music then, sa school, like for the upcoming AFIOP, we will be performing kasi kami rin yung nagsulat ng song and nag-record and stuff.
Wow, guys, so we have something to look forward to for Jules. So let's all show some love and support for him to start and build his music career.
Thank you for sharing your insights and for that incredible performance, Jewel. We look forward to seeing more from you in the future.
So let's give him a round of applause, guys. But before you take your leave, we want to acknowledge your amazing dedication to music and your fantastic performance tonight. Tonight's raffle is sponsored by Decalux, a student-run company dedicated to meticulously crafting handmade stickers that cater to the unique needs and tastes of the customers. Their stickers are perfect for labeling personal belongings in a sleek and elegant way, ensuring they always find their way back to you.
So before we spin the wheel, please remember to take note of your codes. If you are announced as the winner, make sure to comment immediately. We will be calling the code 3 times, and if the winner doesn't comment, we will respin the wheel. So now, let's spin the wheel and see who our lucky winner is.
Okay, guys. And the winner is. Okay, check your codes, guys, because we have our first winner for the prize of 300 pesos. Everyone, check your codes so that you would know if you won. Comment down below agad, guys, if you know. And according to our records, the winner is Ruel Castillo Jr. We see you commenting kanina pa. Nasa jeep ka, and then nasa tricycle ka.
Saan ka na kaya ngayon?
Yes, please comment because you just won our first raffle of 300 pesos, guys. Don't worry for everyone na hoping to win then because we have more raffle prizes for you for the rest of the evening. So again, we will be calling you 3 times so that you have 3 chances to comment so that sa'yo na yung prize. Okay, so this is your first call. This is Ruel Castillo
Nag-comment
Jr.
na si Ruel.
Nag-comment ka na? Oh, ayun! Perfect! So we have our first winner. Buti na lang at nakaabot ka.
Nakarating na yun siya sa bahay niya.
Perfect! Just got home. Go!
Thank
Okay,
you sa
so
update.
congratulations! You just won 300 pesos. So don't forget to check out Decalux for their amazing handmade stickers. Okay, moving on, guys. For our next performance, we have Ezeri Villaruz, a talented 20-year-old singer from Davao City. Ezeri is now performing her dream to learn how to create and release her own songs.
Tonight, she'll be captivating us with her jazz pop performance.
So everyone, let's show some love for Ezeri. Okay, guys, it looks like we are currently experiencing some technical difficulties. So for now, let's read some comments. May nakita ako kanina watching from Japan. Wow! Hello po! Thank you so much for your support for our performers tonight. There's Leve from Davao. Okay, I think we should just proceed with our Chikahan segment. So, for our Chikahan segment, let's all welcome to the virtual stage, Ezeri.
Hi, Ez. That was amazing.
Let's all give her a virtual round of applause.
Hi,
Hi,
Ez.
Ez.
Hello.
Sorry po sa lang.
It's okay.
Pero it was amazing pa rin. So, can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hello, I'm Ezeri Villaruz.
Wow, let's all give some love, guys. Thank you so much for coming in tonight, Ezeri. So, for our first question, why did you choose this genre to sing for us tonight?
Actually, last minute ko lang siya na isip na genre because pop sana yung anuhan ko. But like, nagsettle na lang ako for jazz pop just because that week na kailangan natin mag-prepare and everything is nagkasakit ako. So, ending, hindi ko ma-reach yung high notes sa pop. So, I just decided, jazz pop, why not? Kasi I love Leve man din.
Wow, pero kahit na may sakit ka nun you were still able to hit the notes ni
Hindi
Leve.
halata na may sakit.
True. Hindi halata. That was so impressive. So, usually, ang genre mo talaga is pop, as you said. So, was this the first time you explored or ventured to other genres?
Not really din, siguro. From the past na naalala ko na nag-sing din ako. Kasi I did, try OPM na. So, ngayon, siguro first time sa jazz pop. Pero not first time sa ibang genres.
So, may experience ka in exploring other genres. So, speaking of exploration, is this your first virtual concert?
Oh, actually hindi. Kasi naka-try din ako ng Awiteneo. But I'm not sure if counted yun as, kasi sa YouTube siya. But, naka-try din ako join nung 2022 ata yun na Awiteneo. So yeah, yun.
So that was online din na
Yes.
competition. So that was during the pandemic, right?
Oo.
But have you tried ano ba? Have you tried like live singing live then?
Yeah, I did. Yung sa Duhawit na performance nung senior high school.
So how would you compare ba the experience between the virtual like singing virtually and singing face to face?
I can say na mas siguro 50-50 ako. Like, okay lang ako with either. But sa ngayon, mas nice ang virtual because pwede ako makaano ng kahit ilang takes na gusto ko compared sa live wherein parang one shot siya. So, mas cool ba siya compared sa virtual?
Actually, kasi one chance ka lang. So if magkamali ka, wala ka lang, you can't do anything about it. Unlike sa virtual where you can have a lot of takes. So, for our next question,
Looking ahead, what do you hope to achieve next in your career as a singer?
Siguro, try din ako write ng own songs ko or like learn at least. Kasi sa ngayon, I'm not really sure how to write or create my own songs. So, yun, like parang maka-excite lang din siya na, oh, I want to parang produce din and release. So, hopefully then.
we are looking forward to that, guys. Let's all show some love and support for Ez as she ventures on with her career as a singer. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we are so proud to be part of your journey, Ez.
Thank you.
So that's right. Thank you for sharing your journey with us and for that fantastic performance. Let's give Azari another round of applause.
So, it looks like our video for Ezri is now ready. So, para mo naman magbigyan ng justice ang efforts ni Ez and for us to enjoy her voice some more, let's all give a round of applause for the rest of Ezri's performance. Okay, guys. So, get ready for her third song. Here you go.
So,
We'd like to present you with this certificate of appreciation as a symbol of our gratitude. Thank you for sharing your talents with us.
Thank you, Ez.
thank you.
Okay, guys. So, moving on to our next performance. For our fourth performer, we have Alexis Bueno, a talented 20-year-old from Davao City. Alexis not only sings, but also plays different musical instruments and finds solace and passion in his music.
Tonight, he's here to share his incredible talent with us.
Let's all give a warm welcome and listen to the amazing performance by Alexis Bueno. Give it up for Alexis, everyone! That was breathtaking, Alexis. Why don't you introduce yourself? Uy, anong nangyayari? Go! Okay, why don't you introduce yourself to the audience, Alexis?
Hello guys, ako pala si Alexis Bueno, 20 years old, and I'm from second year and trap, BS and trap in Adu.
And Trap represent. So thank you so much for being here with us tonight, Alexis. Thank you so much for staying. And to start with our Chikahan segment, our first question is, why did you choose these specific songs to sing for us tonight?
Napili ko itong songs kay, I don't know, parang, siguro like fan ko si JK and also favorite ko siya at the moment. And I also like OPM, so yun.
So si JK ang inspiration mo in terms of singing.
Yes.
So, are you currently active ba in terms of singing or performing?
Currently, hindi, pero sa this second year is I'm planning to join Ateneo Repertory Company organization, which is parang like yun yung nag-perform sa school, para magka-new experience lang. Yun.
Okay, so ARC, get ready. You have an audition here. So ito na ang kanyang launching ng kanyang talents to the school. So,
Speaking of school, How do you balance your personal life and school life with your growing career as a singer?
For me, siguro ano lang, time management and siguro making detailed schedules para maano yung like, kung time like ma-specify mo kung when ka mag-practice and like for personal time and also sa classes din.
Tama, guys. So time management is very, very important. Now, so as an artist, as an aspiring artist, what advice would you give to other aspiring artists about managing their career while still being in school, studying for your course na NTREP, and also managing time management with your personal life? What advice would you give them back?
Siguro like be mindful lang na wag i-overcommit ang sarili. As I said kanina, manage your time lang jud and siguro mag-engage ka into social organizations and always stick to your schedule. And so yun, makahelp siya in balancing your academic commitments and also your career.
Tama. So you walang maiiwan. So you won't be leaving alone your commitments in your schooling and of course your commitments as an aspiring artist. So that was great advice, Alexis. Thank you so much for sharing your insights and for that amazing performance.
Absolutely. We can't wait to see what you accomplish next. Let's give Alexis another round of applause.
Okay, but before you head out, Alexis, we want to thank you for showcasing your versatile talent and passion for OPM tonight.
We'd like to present you with this certificate of appreciation as a symbol of our gratitude. Thank you for your amazing performance.
And to all our viewers, stay tuned, everyone, because we have more incredible performances coming up. Thank you, Alexis.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Okay.
So, such amazing performances from the singers. Now, let's take another break, and this time we have a fantastic prize of 500 pesos to give away.
Raffle na naman, guys. Again, this raffle is brought to you by Decalux, a student-run company that creates beautiful handcrafted stickers. So, whether you want to personalize your notebooks, gadgets, or any of your belongings, Decalux has with their unique and stylish designs.
Remember, guys, take note of your codes and comment immediately if you are announced as the winner. We will be calling the code 3 times, and if the winner doesn't comment, we will respin the wheel. So now, let's spin the wheel.
Let's take a moment to wait for the spin the wheel icon. So this is our second raffle draw for the night, guys, with a prize of 500 pesos. Ayan, yan na siya. So let's spin the wheel. Dami-dami palang entries. Ayan na siya. Okay. Ako, put me, choose me sa raffle daw. Okay, so we have the code. So again, everyone, please take note of your codes. We've set that to you now so that we know if you won. So according to our records, the winner is David S. Esfandiari. Okay, so comment agad so that you can claim your raffle prize. So again, we will be calling you 3 times, waiting for your comment. So this is your first call. Ayan, ang bilis. Ayan na siya. Go. Okay, so congratulations. You won our second raffle prize of 500 pesos. Let's all give them a round of applause, guys. So again, this is brought to you by Decalux. So let's move on to our 5th performance. Okay, for our 5th performance of the night, we have Johan Ferrero, a 19-year-old architecture student from Davao City with a passion for music. Johan aspires to release his own music one day and has an archive of original songs that he's currently working on.
Tonight, he'll be sharing his love for the indie folk genre with us.
Let's all give a round of applause and listen to the incredible talent of Johan Ferrero. What an incredible talent. Please welcome Johan Ferrero.
That was such a wonderful performance, Johan. Could you introduce yourself to everyone?
Hi everyone. I'm Johan Ferrero. I'm from Davao and I'm an architecture student sa ADU.
Wow, ang dami mong fans. There are so many engagements during your part. They're so impressed and they relate so much or resonate so much with your songs. So, I guess tatanungin na lang namin, why did you choose these songs to sing for us tonight?
Actually, these songs na pinili ko for the set list. These song parang mga influences ko in music, Bruno Major, I really like his composition sa music. So parang it's basta parang vibe lang siya, like, oh, I like this. So yeah, pinili
True
ko.
naman.
Ganun lang.
Valid naman. So, when did you realize you liked singing ba?
Actually, matagal na. I started singing when I was really young pa. I started singing lang good yung sa school. Akala kasi ng parents ko na parang wala lang good. Tapos, makasing man ako. So, okay. Pursue mo yan. So, ayun. It's now nagkanta-kanta na. Ganun lang.
So, who inspired you to sing, and how did that influence your decision to pursue music?
Actually, I don't really know if my inspiration ako, pero I started singing way back na, and then parang na ano lang siya, na enhance lang siya kasi my parents, yung dad ko kasi, like, he's a musician, so parang gi-enhance nila, gipa-perform kami sa mga school plays and school acts, basta mga school plays. Tapos parang doon ko na-realize siguro na parang I want to, sa lahat na lang siguro, like, na-learn ko sa school plays and everything, parang na-inspire ako to perform more. Parang nagkaroon ako ng passion for performing, and yeah.
So, marami kang experiences na so far.
Yeah.
So, based on that, what's the best piece of advice that you've ever received in your career ba? And how has it impacted you or impacted your journey as an aspiring artist?
I think narinig ko to sa isang teacher ko nung junior high. Ang sabi niya sa akin na kung meron kang talent, wag mo siyang sayangin. So kung saan ka man, you have to use your talent kasi it's yours eh. So you have to use it to the best extent. So if you have a talent, kung whatever it is, you have to use it talaga.
Tama. So, as you continue to grow, how do you plan on further developing your career as an artist?
I don't think I will pursue the path of an artist, pero I want to, like, kasi I'm taking I have a different course in mind, pero parang I want to, parang I'll still take the music with me, parang ganun. So currently man, I want to write songs, parang ganun good. So maybe one day I mag-join ako ng mga workshops and all that, just to enhance my skills good, and I want to parang widen my perspective in music, parang ganun.
Okay, guys, we have something to look forward to, a future Bruno Major. That is. Okay, so thank you so much, Johan, for sharing your journey and insights with us. Your dedication to your artistry is truly inspiring.
Absolutely. Johan, we can't wait to see where your musical journey takes you next. Let's give Johan another round of applause for that incredible performance.
But Johan, before you go, we want to thank you for sharing your incredible talent and passion for music with us tonight.
From Davao City.
Anya and Tyne aspire to form a duo, create songs together, and release their own EPs. Tonight, they'll be enchanting us with their indie genre performance.
Let's give a virtual round of applause for Anya and
Double the trouble, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a round of applause to Anya and Tyne.
That was an absolutely stunning duet. Before we move on to our Chikahan segment, why don't you both introduce yourselves to our audience?
Hi, my name is Anya. And I'm Tyne. Anya.
We're very grateful to have you both here tonight as our last performers. And it's so interesting how you both decided to do a duet for this event. So, na-curious tuloy kami. Can you describe the process of working together for this performance?
So, actually, by this, nung time na in-invite kami to do this performance, kaka-release lang ni RM nung kanyang album. So, we really like the sound. That's why we wanted to do a cover. And this was the perfect opportunity to share it.
Okay, so what were some challenges you faced during rehearsals or recording, and how did you overcome them as a group?
Well, nung time na ginawa namin yun, kasi it's like parang midterm namin siya sa school namin. So parang nahirapan kami with the time so to do it. So yun. Pero to overcome it, nag-set na lang kami ng isang araw na gawin lahat yun. So yun, we made it.
We're so grateful that you said yes and were able to perform for us tonight. So, for the next question, how has collaborating on this duet influenced your individual growth as artists? Are you independent artist ba or together or like duo talaga kayo?
We're actually planning to become a duo pa. So,
So you
for
have
now,
plans in you have plans in working together some more in the future.
yes, but for now, we're individual artists. She has very great music on her Spotify. Follow niyo siya.
Oh, so may ano kayo? Promote you guys, your Spotify and your music.
Sige, follow me on Spotify, PHLMN yung name. Tapos, follow niyo din siya. Meron din siya.
Wala pa akong songs.
Yeah. Pero pwede niyo yun. Follow niyo lang kahit walang kanta.
Okay, so for our last question,
What message or feeling do you hope the audience takes away from your performance together?
So we all came here naman to listen to some nice music and covers. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the performances of Celine, Jewel, Ez, sino ba? si Alexis, and Johan, and of course thanks to the hosts.
Yes.
And
thank you so much.
Thank you.
So congratulations, guys. And we're so grateful that we were able to hear you perform your own song for this event. Let's all give them a round of applause for closing our night.
With such beauty and harmony.
So before we let you go, we want to thank you for bringing such beautiful harmony to our event tonight. So that was 6 out of 6 performances tonight. What an incredible night it has been. So, kumusta na ba ang lahat? How is everyone feeling? We'd love to hear your thoughts, guys. How
a favorite.
did you have?
Alright. So, did you have a favorite performance or a moment that stood out to you? Please drop your comments on the live stream and let us know.
Sino bang favorite nyo na performance tonight, guys? What songs or artists did you connect with the
Bruno
most? We
Minor.
want to hear it all. Ayun, si Bruno Minor.
Labas nga.
Oh! Yes, we are so impressed with all the artists we have tonight.
And the night has been filled with amazing performances, heartfelt stories, and a true sense of community. We hope you enjoyed every moment as much as we have.
So to sum it all up, tonight's Halo Halo virtual mixed Music Chikahan was all about bringing together an amazing mix of talents and genres. We got to see some awesome performances, hear about the artists' journeys, and really celebrate the power of music and collaboration.
Moving forward, we encourage you to stay connected with the artists you've seen tonight. Follow them on social media, support their work, and stay tuned for their future projects. Your support means the world to them.
Once again, we'd like to thank our one and only raffle sponsor Decalux. We are incredibly grateful for their generous support and contribution to tonight's event. Their commitment to fostering creativity and supporting fellow students is truly inspiring. So everyone, please check out their amazing products and support this wonderful student-run business. You can find them on social media, and trust us, you won't be disappointed.
We also want to thank each and every one of you for joining us tonight. Your presence, your energy, and your enthusiasm have made this virtual gathering truly special.
Also, a big thank you to our performers for sharing their incredible talents with us. Your dedication and passion have truly shown through, and we are so grateful for your contributions.
And of course, thank you to our technical team, organizers, and everyone behind the scenes who made this event possible. Your hard work and commitment are deeply appreciated.
Finally, we hope you leave tonight feeling inspired and uplifted. Remember to share your favorite moments from the event on social media with the hashtag #HaloHaloMusicChikahan.
Before we end this virtual event, we're down to our final raffle break of the night, and this time we have an incredible prize of 1,000 pesos.
Guys, 1,000 now. This is our grand prize. A quick reminder to everyone to take note of your codes and comment immediately if you are announced as the winner. Again, we will be calling the code 3 times or the name 3 times, and if the winner doesn't comment, we will respin the wheel. So ngayon, let's see who the lucky winner of 1,000 pesos is. Go! Are you ready, guys?
Kilos-kilo kaya.
And we have the code. Guys, 1,000 pesos na to. Please check your codes and claim your prizes or your prize of 1,000 pesos. According to our record, the winner is Mickey A. Patugan. Congratulations! Grabe, 1 kya. Okay, so this is your first call. Mickey A. Patugan. Ayaw, akin na lang. Ayaw na siya. Ayaw ko. TF. Chares. Okay, congratulations. You just won 1,000 pesos. Congrats, guys. Again, thank you everyone for being part of Halo Halo Virtual Mixed Music Chikahan. This is the end of our event. We hope you had fun. We hope you had a wonderful night, everyone. And until next time, keep the music alive. Good night, guys. Good night. Bye. Bye. Go, guys.